In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to play Flash games in 2022. As you may know, about a year ago, Adobe ended support for Flash Player, meaning you can no longer play it on modern browsers. Thankfully, a group of open source developers has created a solution for this. It's called Flashpoint. It's a software that runs on your computer and allows you to download and play Flash games. So to start us off here, we're going to go to bluemaxima.org/flashpoint/downloads, and I'll put a link to that in the description below. Now there's two versions you can do if you're just looking to play games. You can either download the ultimate version, which is every Flash game that they have in their library, which is 766 gigabytes to download currently, which is just insane. Take a very long time on slow internet connections. Or you can use Flashpoint Infinity, which is a much smaller download and does not download any games until you ask it to, meaning you can download exactly which games you want on demand. So once you've got that downloaded and running, you can go ahead and open it up. It looks something like this. Go to the Games tab, where you have playlists, or you can create your own playlist. You have a search feature in the All Games tab, where you can search their entire library of games. And you can see the games, play them, which will download on demand. Right click, you can add to your playlists, you can do pretty much anything you want. And thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.